Aspose.Imaging Compress application was designed to help you compress your images easily. The compression process is fully interactive. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the files all together. After uploading completes, you can review the uploaded files and optionally cancel some of them for processing. After uploading the file or files, you can configure the compression options. Each image may be configured separately. You can switch the images back and forth and preview the compression result on your screen. You can check the auto checkbox to select the default compression options, or you can fine-tune the compression details for the desired output quality and file size. To specify manual compression options, please uncheck the auto checkbox. When you change some of the options, the preview is not regenerated and you need to click Apply button to preview the options in action. Additionally, you can select the output file format to convert to. For example, you can load JPG file and convert it into GIF. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. When you are satisfied with the compression options, then you may either download the result directly or specify an email to send the compression result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.